Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sometimes the battery icon on the Windows taskbar will be missing. In this video, we are going to see how to restore the battery icon on the taskbar. Let's move on to the video. Here the battery icon is missing on the taskbar. Go to Device Manager, expand Batteries, right click on Microsoft AC adapter, click Disable Device, click S, right click on Complaint Control Method, click Disable Device, click S, now right click on Microsoft AC adapter, enable device, right click on Complaint Control Method, click Enable Device. Now you can able to see the battery icon on the taskbar. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.